Alright guys, today we got a super special collab video. Shout out to JK8, aka Soulboi, aka Dat Boy from Mexico, aka the guy who produced Down With Me. You know what I'm saying? Aka, you might have seen him on TikTok. He's like one of the pioneers of this realer sounding new jazz, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so he sent me a loop, so I'm gonna show you guys the loop, and then I'm gonna cook it up. Alright, so here's the loop that he sent me. So first thing I'm going to do, click this where it says track to send it to the mixer. And then I'm just going to chop it up, just so I can piece the melody however I want, if I want to make any changes later. So I'm just going to chop them up, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so here we have like the stems here, just in case I want to like rearrange the melody after. But now I'm going to go over here where it says pattern. I'm going to click right here. And then I'm just going to add it in here, hit Command B, and then hold Command and then just select here. So now we're going to be listening to this part here. And I'm just gonna go to the mixer here, and then I'm just gonna low cut it. Just take some of the lows out, you know? So there's more room for the 808. Cool. Let's turn it down a little bit. I'm just gonna use this part for now. So hold Command and then just click and drag. Also, our 5K kit is out now, so if you guys want to get it, link is down below. It's completely free, you know what I'm saying? Let's get an 808. Go with this 808 here, CO3. Over here to the envelope, put the attack down, put the release down. And now the 808 stops playing whenever you let go, you know what I'm saying? When you guys are using loops, if you guys have a hard time finding the root note, a good way is just like pitch up the 808 like 2 octaves or something. That way it's easier to tell what the note is. There we go. Slide this one down. Make it short. Yeah. We're gonna pitch everything up. Let's pitch it up. What, 2? Pitch it up 3. Let's do 4. Let's pitch it up 4. Go over here to the loop. Click that. Go here where it says pitch, and let's turn this up to 400 cents. I think we're gonna pitch it 1 down now. Let's go back to the loop. Let's do 300 cents. Yeah, that's cool. Alright, so let's clone this 808 and then let's add a second 808. Let's go with this one. I like this one. This one's cool. Cool. Just turn this back to regular and then go to this 808. Go to the first 808. Then we're gonna go here, hold Command Shift, select these, hit Command X, and then go back to this 808, hit Command V. Now we got this like back and forth 808 kind of thing, you know what I'm saying? Let's try pitching these up. Command up arrow. And then let's take these notes here, hit Command X. We're gonna add them to a different 808 too. Let's clone it up. Yeah, let's do this one. Hit Command V, you know what I'm saying? Let's slide it too. Let's hit that little slide, you know what I'm saying? Get a hat, let's get a hat. Let's do 2 hats, why not? Do that. Let's copy it over. You Command A to select everything. Hold Shift and drag it over. And let's paste this over like that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna switch that one down. So. Let's put this velocity down. Hold Option. Let's put this velocity down too. You know what? Let's get another 808 in here. So let's clone this up, and then I want to go to our 1K kit, which is free by the way too. So if you guys want it, link is down below. You know what I'm saying? Go get your free kits. Stock up on your sounds. You know what I'm saying? Let's add this right here. Let's hear that. Yeah. And then we're gonna slide this down. Double click it. Hit that little slide. You know what I'm saying? And then we're just gonna go back to this first 808, trim it. Yeah, we'll keep it chill. We'll keep it chill. Add that right there too. Yo, we're pretty much done, but you know what? I want to add like another little melody to it. Why not? You know what I'm saying? Like, we still have this part with the crazy trumpet. Lead right here. Just turn up the whole and then go over here to the wrench, porta on, mono on, put this to 1. I'm gonna turn this up to 0.6. Just like, you know what I mean? It's just a little flavor to it. Yeah, we're gonna extend these. Hold Option. Yeah. You add this to the mixer. Let's go to track 2, and then I'm gonna add a preset. So go to our 5K kit, go to presets. Let's do this one. I'm just do a quick little mix. We got like a little smooth B part, you know what I'm saying? It's just for that B section. Should I add more? I don't know. I kind of like it. This is clean, yeah. But I kind of want to add a little bit more, but keep it tasteful. Yeah, we're just gonna do one of these right here. And we just, yeah, we gotta move these up. Add a kick, why not? Should we add this womp, the OG? Add the OG womp in there too, why not, right? Clone that up, hold Command, just quickly add it, you know what I'm saying? And then, yeah, we'll just like double womp it right here. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I just don't know what the note right there is. I think we move it like that. Actually, we reverse it right here, dude. Back to the root note, double click it, then we're gonna reverse it, put this velocity all the way down. Yo, ready? Alright, where's all the 808s right here? Yeah. I'm gonna click right there, go to the mixer. Let's go to 11, hit Shift Command L. Now we have all our sounds in the mixer. Actually, wait, we gotta add these two. Yeah. Alright, so I like how the drums and everything is sounding, so now I want to arrange it. So I'm gonna go over here to where it says pattern, right click, hit split by channel, and now all our sounds are like stemmed out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna grab all these, hold shift, drag it in here. Lock in. Let's just work with the stems, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna turn this off right here and then hit T, and now we can like mute, and I'm just gonna drag these all here. So these are our stems, and then I'm just gonna select, hit Command B. We can just mute whatever we don't want. I'm gonna add delay to it. Let's go to these presets in the kit. Let's try this ethereal one. Okay, this could be tough. Yeah, love a rock out like this. Alright, so guys, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to JK8, aka Soulboi, aka Down With Me Producer, aka Dat Boy, you know what I'm saying? If you guys want the 5K kit, link is down below. It's completely free. Also our 1K kit, if you haven't got it already, totally free, go get it. If you want to support the channel, you want to help support me, go check out some of my kits. Links are down below. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for 5K. You guys are the goats, you know what I'm saying? You guys are them boys, you know what I'm saying? You guys are the ones. But yeah, appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.